How to create a Duolingo account. So let's get started. So if you want to create a Duolingo account, then what you can do is just simply open up your Play Store, and after opening up your Play Store, now in search bar you can search for Duolingo. And after searching for that, now you can find your Duolingo application. So now what you can do is just tap on install and install it in your device. And after installing Duolingo in your device, what you can do is just simply open up that application. And after opening up your application, now what you can do is just simply wait and then log into your account. And after opening up your Duolingo, now what you can do is just simply tap on sign in if you already have an account, or just tap on get started if you are a new member in Duolingo. And now what you can do is just tap on continue, which is on the bottom, and then again tap on continue. After tapping on continue, now you have to select what would you like to learn. So which language are you interested in? Just select that and then tap on continue, which is on the bottom. And now what you have to do is just select how do you hear about Duolingo. So just select any one of those options and then tap on continue. And from now on, what you have to do is just simply follow some on-screen steps and then just tap on continue. After entering all those questions, now what you can do is just simply enter your age and then tap on continue. After entering their age, now you have to enter your name. After entering your name, just tap on continue and then enter your email address. After entering the email address, just tap on continue and then create a password for your account. And after entering that, just tap on create profile. And after entering that, here you can see guys, your profile has been successfully created. So now what you can do is just simply tap on continue. And after tapping on continue, you have created your Duolingo account. So before ending this, what you have to do is just simply verify your email address. So what you can do is just simply open up your Gmail, and you should receive an email from Duolingo. So what you can do is just simply open up that and then verify your email. So here you can see guys, I just have to confirm my email address. And after confirming your email address, now you can log in your account in other devices also. So just simply do this process, and now you can just simply tap on open Duolingo, and now you have successfully created your Duolingo account. So that's it guys, this is how to create a Duolingo account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.